So you know what I'm here contemplating? What am I to do with my hair? Now I washed it today and I did a deep conditioning, right? I did a deep con using hair mayonnaise. And so I want to give it a break for a couple of weeks. So I'm thinking, what is the best thing to do with my hair? Can you help me? Should I do a twist out or should I put in braids? Can I put in braids on my own? I don't know. I'm gonna try. So right about now, I'm going to cornrow my hair and then I'm going to decide, you know, exactly how I'm going to do this here. I know you're going to help me to get it done. So let me show you how I'm going to start the whole cornrow process. I'm going to be doing the very first one here. And then I'm going to work my way through, but I'm just going to show you how I'm going to get the first one done. And then, of course, I'm going to return when I've completed the process so you can all see what it looks like, and then I'll talk to you more about the braid that I'll be using. Excited, can't wait to see the finished product. I've never used this here before. Seen person used it, but let us see what the finished product will look like. Are you excited for me? Let us see. This is the deep con. So I'm gonna stop right there and show you when I'm done. Alright, so I have completed the cornrow and now I am going to try to apply the crochet braid. I'm using Nature Braid collection. Of course, it's 14 inches and this is number 2. They say it can be worn in 2 ways. Can be held together, or if you opted to pull out the twist, you can also do that. Then we get a pack that I've already. So here we have it. So you can use it as is, or you can actually pull these out, pull it all the way out, so you can wear it 2 ways. Alright, so this is the loop, as you can see here, and I'm going to be using my crochet needle to apply it to my hair. So we are coming along nicely. I've already completed 1 pack and is moving on to the second pack. Just thought I would give you an update as to how it is coming along. Of course, I have never ever done this before, so it is taking a much longer time, I am sure. If I were doing it in somebody's hair, or if I was doing it repeatedly, I would have a better grasp of it. But it's not such a challenge to be done, really. I'm actually enjoying it, and I actually enjoy doing it. Coming along. There you have it, first attempt. And the hair can be worn two ways. This section here can actually be pulled out and it be worn like that. I would say it's not bad for a first attempt. I'm almost done. I'm almost done pulling out the twist. Quite a few still left in the back. I really like it though. I love the color and I like the twist. Well, there you have it. Guess when I'm going out, I'll do a little dressing up and put on a little ear accessories. But until I do so, this is Tracy saying thanks for staying with me, and see you when I have another video coming out.